NFT games are on a roll right now. Gaming has long been considered a major zone for the inevitable development of crypto killer apps, but until last year, this was more hype than reality. However, things happen fast in crypto games, and today, in addition to trailblazers like Decentraland, there are hundreds more playable games on blockchain-based, on-play-to-earn NFT-infused models. Let's discuss the top 5 today. Before moving ahead, welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 NFT games. So please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go to subscribe to stay connected. Have you ever heard the term NFT? How about blockchain technology? Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and blockchains are online records of your cryptocurrency and other transactions. On the other hand, NFT might be tangible or digital assets that can be used to earn money. This brings us to the video of the day, which is the best 5 crypto NFT games to play. That's correct. The purpose of this video is to present you with an idea of what games you can play to earn money using cryptocurrency, which you can also use in real life. It is no more difficult for anyone to earn money just by playing video games all day. Take a look at the streamers that earn a lot. These games on the list can be perfect, playable, and entertaining money-making. So, let's get started. At number 5, Splinterlands. First on our list is Splinterlands, a collectible card game available for PC, Android, or iOS devices. Think about games like Hearthstone and Gwent. You play cards against other people online, and it is your typical one. Get the right cards and form your own deck with varying splinters, stats, rarity, and more. Test your might by playing against other players and work hard to get that sweet victory. The question now is, how do you make money? That's probably what's on your mind. And the good thing is that you can do it in a lot of ways. One way is by participating in tournaments and matches where money is on the line. When you win those matches, you get some nice financial returns that you can use. Another way to make money is through the cards that you get. These cards act as the NFT that you can use in several different ways. You can sell the cards or lease them to make money. The beauty is that these cards are registered to you, so they aren't going anywhere until you finally sell them. While the money-making aspect of Splinterlands is easy to understand, the game itself can be the challenging part. This is the kind of game that requires players to think and strategize. They can't just go in and kill stuff because you have to beat your opponent to get those rewards. It involves a lot of mental strength to get those sweet rewards. Okay, at number 4, we have Town Star. If you love games where you simulate a growing city or just a farm, then Town Star is the game for you. It is a simulation game where you run a farm and make money. It sounds boring when you think about it, but players who aren't that hardcore into gaming can get into this right away. You can run a farm, so naturally, you have to manage the growth of your products and all the other things that you make or raise on the farm. The fun part happens when you're competing to be one of the best farmers in the game. The reason being is that the higher you are in the leaderboards, the more rewards you can get. Did we mention the game resets after every 6 days? It sounds bad, but it actually isn't. It adds a layer of fun and urgency because whatever you did the past week will be gone the next week. You have to climb your way up to the top again and hope to do a better job this time. No pressure, right? The money-making aspect is part of your weekly performance. The better you do, the more Gala tokens you can get, which translates to cryptocurrency. You can even check the marketplace to see if there are things that you like, and some of these are bought with money. That could also be you on the opposite end, selling your wares and making more in this game if you invest a lot of time in it. You can play Town Star on any device if it can run the website on your preferred browser. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for more updates. And do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comment below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Now we are moving towards a popular game which is also one of my favorites. Number 3 is Diablo 3. No, we're kidding. It is Lost Relics. Lost Relics has similar gameplay compared to Diablo 3. It utilizes the isometric view that Diablo games use, and you have your adventuring character go out and explore the world while killing and looting monsters in the process. It's your typical action-adventure RPG filled with magic, fantasy, and everything else. The way to make money here is by looting and getting items. The items are divided into 2 categories, which are virtual and blockchain. the virtual items you use in the game like weapons, gear, miscellaneous, and more. The blockchain items, as if the name wasn't obvious enough, are the ones that you want to have if you're in this game to make money. These items can be sold and traded in the Royal Emporium or the game's marketplace. Well, how do you like that? Another connection to Diablo 3. While people frowned on Diablo 3's auction house where players could sell some items, the one in Lost Relics isn't that bad. One thing is because people have a good and fair chance to get some of those items to sell or keep for themselves. So, if you ever want to sell those items, make sure you do your research and charge for the best prices. At number 2, we have Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is next on our list, and don't you just love these adorable things? Before we continue, Axie Infinity is still in early access available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. However, the game is made up of a large community and the game is pretty much alive and has a thriving economy, which should be good when you want to get started. You have these creatures called Axies, and they'll be your geese that can lay a dozen of golden eggs when you invest the right amount of time and money. That's right. Optionally, you can invest with some money first and buy some Axies, and in time they can return your investment in the game. The point of the game is that you get, buy, raise, battle, and breed these Axies. Think about Pokemon, where you can have them in battle. That's one way of earning money, which is to win some matches with the right Axie in your team. If you're lucky enough to get some Axies that have a high rarity, you can sell them and make money. Now, isn't that better than a slice of bread where you just did nothing and got an Axie to sell for a good price? Another way to make money is by breeding your Axie to produce an Axie with a potentially high rarity that you can also sell. The game doesn't require a lot of your time, but in return, you can't really make a lot of money. However, if you spend hours on it, you can make some good money when you create and sell the right Axie for the right price. All right, we reached the last top pick, and it is none other than Six Dragons. Six Dragons will take the number 1 spot, and for good reasons. One good reason is that it is an open world MMO. Whoa! The game has also been out for over a year, so you know that a thriving community is already playing this game. It is a run-of-the-mill MMO where you go adventuring. Of course, the other elements apply like doing quests, killing monsters, getting items, and other standard stuff. The game also looks good, which is available for PC at the moment. The part where you make money is probably what you're dying to hear, which is through the items you get. Six Dragons have an interesting crafting system that lets you make some items. When you have the right ingredients, you can craft those items and sell them in the marketplace. Naturally, those items will sell for real money, and other items that are of value will be under the blockchain that you can also sell and trade. The values for the items vary, but that's the fun part, especially if you're into playing MMO and trading items. Six Dragons does require some of your time, but if you're into MMO, you might want to try this and start crafting or selling. Even if you aren't that into cryptocurrency or making money online, playing these games alone can be enough and fun for you. Perhaps you may want to learn more about the crypto market, but at the end of the day, you'll be playing to make some good money or not. You still need to be devoted and invest some good time and money to get the money that you want. That's it for today. Have you played these games? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alarmed with our latest content. If you want to make money, then financial and investment wisdom is for you. Thanks for your time. Be happy.